In this video, we are going to learn how to use the internal messaging system. So first of all, what is it? Technically, it is a system or a feature we have developed on ViVET for the ViVET users to communicate with each other. For example, when a student is learning a training or course, they may have a question or maybe somewhere they don't understand and then they need the instructions from the author. So with this feature, they can write directly to the authors to ask questions, and they can get direct feedback also from the author. But it's not only just for the students, it's also good for the authors. So if one author want to give recommendations or suggestions to another author, they can just write to them directly, and they can communicate with each other very easily with this system. So we think it's a very useful tool for the ViVET users to communicate and to find more friends. Second of all, where to find this messaging system. So on the right up button, you can see this chat icon, and you can click this button, and then it will go very easily directly to your messaging box. And here you can see all the threads and also achieve the threads. So here is some messages I have wrote before, and I can view them. I can see to whom I have wrote the questions and also about which course. And I can see her answers to me and so on. So it works in this way. You can see the course here and talking to whom. And click this button, you can actually go to this course directly. Okay, let's try again and let me show you how to use it. For example, I'm learning this course, ViVET menu. You can find this course in the training or in the course also, definitely. So I have this training ViVET handbook, and the first course is ViVET menu. You can continue, and you can, for example, learn how to search videos, for example. And here you can see here it's very easy. It's easy to understand. You can go to the next step. And by filtering, you can search systematically through the video trainings, courses, and topics. For example, here. But I don't understand how to throw the videos, trainings, courses, and topics. So I want to ask her about this question. Then I can go back to the course, because here we don't have the communication button. You go back to the course, and then you can directly see here is the instructor's name and also the contact button. Okay, let's go to contact them, but it's better to remember which step it is, so it will be also easier for the author to spot where the problem or where you have questions. So you can say step 1.1, because here you already have the course name, so you can just say step 1.1, and how to search through courses. Or you can say how to search a certain topic or name through courses. And then you can just click send. And this is my name, and now we're waiting for the author to reply. And go back here, you can see, even though we're in it's the same course, but because the questions are different, so you will see the different threads. And now I log out and go back to my account. So, okay, when I log in, I can see directly there's a message for me. It's waiting for me. You can see here, there's one message is waiting, and I can click directly here, and I will see, okay, there's one unread messages, and this is the course name. It's easy for me to spot it. And then I can see view unread message. Okay, this is one unread message, because this is from the same user to me. That's why I can see the messages like in one column before. But yeah, now I can see her message. Okay, so how to search a name through course. And then I can write her, you can click. You can input the name and click the course button. Okay, just for example, this is the answer, and then I can send. Yeah, and then now I can see all of the messages between us. I can go back to all threads, and here I can see 2 messages. And technically, for each course, viewing, you can see here you are viewing message threads related to course ViVET menu. So when you have questions from the users about other course, then it will be categorized according to the course name into different column. And you can also click here back to the course directly. It's very easy to use. Okay, so I hope this video will help you to know how to use the internal messaging system. Please have a try and enjoy.